Hello everybody. Would you, that's right you, like to screen mirror your TV with your MacBook Air or your apps that you find that have you do a QR code? Well, using this method is the best way, and it will help you monitor what you're doing on your computer to your LG or smart TV. First thing that you need is a Roku box. Get your Roku remote to turn the power of the TV on. What? The TV has no signal? You only need to hit the home button on your Roku remote and your dashboard is up. Be sure that your computer is next to your TV so you can have full screen on your TV. Be sure that your Mac is on. Go to System Preferences or Settings. In the top corner, type in the search box what you're looking for. Displays. Type in Displays. Then go to the drop-down panel at the bottom of the Displays window and select your TV or device. Let's go to my TV, shall we? I have opened my web browser window. And I have opened to the most awesome YouTube channel displayed on the TV. And the most awesome video is there too. That is how you screen mirror to a TV with your MacBook. It is pretty similar on other computers and devices. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like some more videos and make it look more awesome.